Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV26. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV26 is making a loud noise while it's running, it usually indicates a problem with the motor. This noise can be a sign of wear and tear or damage that could lead to further issues if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this can result in decreased suction power and potential permanent damage to your vacuum, costing you more in the long run. To carry out the motor replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor suitable for the Dyson SV26. First, ensure your Dyson SV26 is unplugged before starting. Carefully turn the vacuum over to access the base. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the cover. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, you should see the motor assembly. The faulty motor is generally located at the center of the vacuum. To remove it, disconnect the wiring harness carefully using your pliers, making sure not to pull on the wires themselves. Next, unscrew the screws that hold the motor in place. Remember the type of screws, as they may vary in size. It's essential to apply even pressure when unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and place it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing the connectors back into place, ensuring they are secure. As you reassemble the vacuum, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, to avoid damaging the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, replace the cover and secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is tightly fastened. Plug in your Dyson SV26 and turn it on to check if the noise has disappeared. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your vacuum filters and check for blockages in the hose. This maintenance can help extend the life of your motor and keep your Dyson running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.